Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. If you're new, a huge welcome to you. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Are you in the mood for spring colors? I certainly am. I love this time of the year because I love the colors of the spring flowers and the blossoms. And today was such a beautiful day here in Arlington, Virginia. I went for my usual walk and got to see all the gorgeous blossoms. I'm very lucky because I live in a very nice neighborhood and people take good care of their flower beds and their lawns. And we have little pockets of wilderness here and there that I like to walk through. But even that is somewhat maintained as well. And why am I telling you all this? Well, it's because this is the time of year where I get a lot of inspiration for floral designs. So don't be surprised if you see something botanical or something floral coming up in my next design. But I'm not going to be doing a tutorial today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be opening up the Curated Bead Box for the month of April. And if you subscribe to that box, you'll know that the boxes always come with a little preview, a little image on the front of the box showing you what's in the box. And I know they're going to be beautiful spring colored beads. And if you're not familiar with the Curated Bead Box, I'll leave a link down below so you can go to the website and check it out. And I'll also leave a little bit of information down below in the description section of this video, along with a coupon code for 35% off if you sign up for a monthly subscription. Now, if you're new and you think you might like my content, please think about subscribing to my channel. And also, if you could give me a thumbs up, that would really help my channel. And I'm going to stop talking because I can't wait to see what's in the box. So let's go ahead and get started. And here we have Curated Bead Box for the month of April. The name of this box is Spring is in the Air, and it most certainly is. And I love the colors on this picture. That's one of the things I like about Curated Bead Box. They give you a little preview. And here's a list of the contents, and here are the codes for each one, or the model numbers. You can use those model numbers at the dollarbead.com website if you need to get more of any of these beads. And down here it says, bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. And I'm letting you know, just in case you get something a little different. There are times when subscribers might get a slightly different strand or a different size bead. It doesn't happen often, but it does happen from time to time. And I'm just letting you know. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's take them out. And oh my goodness, look at these gorgeous spring colors. They look absolutely delicious. I know I'm going to love this collection. Let me go ahead and get organized and we'll go through each item. And here are the larger size beads. These measure 10 millimeters in size. And it looks like we get some gemstones this month. So that's nice. Let's take a look at this one. These are jade style glass beads, and this is an 8-inch strand. The color is soft salmon. It's a very pretty light shade of pink, as you can see. I really like the jade style glass beads. I like that they're a little bit translucent. They're very nice. I like using them. Let's take a look at this next one. These are called duo crackle glass beads, and they're called duo because there are two colors there, pink and apple green. I love that crackle effect, and these two colors look really nice together. I like combining pink and green. And once again, these are a little bit translucent as well, so they're going to look really nice outside in the sunshine. Very pretty. Let's take a look at the gemstones. The description says these are olivine gemstone beads, and these are also 10 millimeters in size, and this strand is 7 to 8 inches long. And as you can see, there are some irregularities. They're not exactly uniform, but that's the nature of gemstones sometimes. And some of them do have a few speckles, as you can see. But I think it's really nice that we get gemstones this month. I love that green color. It's kind of a greenish yellow color. Let me get some more beads. And here are the 8 millimeter size beads. Don't you just love these colors, guys? They're so beautiful. I love the lilacs and pinks and greens. Let's take a look at this one here. This looks like a very long strand. It's actually 16 inches long. And these are called crackle spray glass beads. So it's a crackle bead, and then it has that beautiful green color sprayed on top, which makes them look so pretty. And the color of these is greenbrier. I'm going to have so much fun with all these beautiful colors. That's such a pretty green color. It really is. Let's take a look at these pearl glass beads. Or glass pearl beads, I should say. The color of these is lilac. And what a gorgeous color. I am so in love with this color. It's kind of a cross between pink and purple. But anyway, these have a very beautiful luster, as you can see. And they're not bad quality at all. They're decent quality. I always look at the holes because if the paint is chipping or peeling, they're usually not good quality, but these don't have that problem. But anyway, I love the 8 millimeter size beads because you can do so much with them. Let's take a look at these. These are called fuchsia/gold drizzle glass beads, and we've had drizzle glass beads before in the past. If you look closely, you'll see a little bit of paint drizzle on each of the beads. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's very interesting, and that's a very bright fuchsia color, but it's nice that it's not all over the bead. It's just on one side of the bead. I really love these drizzle glass beads. They're very pretty. Let me get some more beads. And these are the 6mm size beads. Each one of these strands is 16 inches long. Let's take a look at this one. These are jade style glass beads, and the color is soft lilac. And once again, they have that beautiful translucency, which I absolutely love. And I love this color. It's very soft and very feminine, and it looks beautiful with the green. It really does. I love it. Let's take a look at the green ones. These are glass pearl beads as well. The color is soft green, and it's such a beautiful, fresh spring color. Look at that. Look how pretty this green is. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. I like to use the 6mm size for bracelets, and I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to do, but I'm thinking about it. I'm getting some inspiration just looking at these beads. They're so beautiful. Let me get some more items. And here we have a designer glass bead mix. The name of this bead mix is Spring, and it's approximately 1.7 ounces worth of beads. We have all kinds of sizes and colors, and some are smooth and some are faceted. It looks like we have salmon and blue and purple and some pink and peach. Let me put them on a rod and we'll take a closer look. And here they are threaded on my rod. I had to use one of my 12-inch rods because they wouldn't fit on a 9-inch rod. This is actually quite a large number of beads. There are actually 23 beads on this rod, so that's quite a few, and they're all large beads. I would say these are 10mm in size, and these are probably somewhere around 14mm. Let me take a look. Actually, I was wrong, they're 13mm. But anyway, guys, look at this. We have these faceted pink ones, and this is that jade style glass, and then we have these clear faceted ones. These look like they're a peach color. They would make great earrings. We have more jade style beads here in a very pale salmon color. And then we have these crackle beads in the blue color. These are so beautiful. I love that blue color. And here we have more jade style glass beads in a pale salmon color and 2 purple ones at the end. Very, very nice. So if you wanted to use one of these as a focal bead, you could do that. But more than likely, I'm probably going to use them for earrings. Let me get some more items. And here we have a collection of acrylic flower charms. That's how they're listed. They're listed as charms. But I've never used these as charms. I usually just hang beads from underneath. And I like to do that for both earrings and for pendants. But anyway, they measure 16mm in size, and we get 0.7 ounces worth. And I'm just eyeballing. I'm guessing there's like 20 or 22, something like that. But I'm seeing all kinds of colors. I see peach, I see red, blue, yellow, green, pink. And here's a purple one. Let me give you a little close-up. Aren't these pretty? They're so pretty. And they're actually pretty detailed considering they're acrylic. Whenever I see multiple colors like this, I get so much inspiration. And right now I'm getting inspiration for a necklace, but I'm not sure if that's what I'll do. Definitely a pair of earrings. You can actually do a lot with these beautiful flower beads. I guess when they say charms, they mean dangles. I can definitely see dangling a few of these from the bottom of a necklace. Let me get some more items. And here we have some metal spacer beads. They're flower spacer beads, and they're in a gold color, as you can see. And there are 2 kinds, and we get 15 of each kind. I love that they included spacer beads this month. Let's take a look at these. These are so cute. Look at that. They're tiny little flowers, and they have 5 petals. These are so adorable. Let's take a look at these. These look like they're a little bit more of an antique gold color. And these are also tiny flowers, but in a different style. Aren't these beautiful? I'm definitely going to have some fun with these. And I'm thinking about using both of them in the same design. Definitely something to think about. You can do a lot with 30 spacer beads. Let me get some more items. And here we have 5 tassels. They're polyester tassels, and the color is apple green, and these measure 130 by 6mm. We've had these before in different colors. And I don't remember which month, but I made a tassel pendant with a beaded bead cap. So I might do the same thing, I'm not sure. And I actually combined 4 of them or 5 of them like this to make a fatter tassel. But I'm going to have to think about it. I'm not sure if I'll do that this time. But these are very nice, and I love the color. It's a very beautiful pale green color. And here we have a keychain with jump ring. I've never seen a keychain in the Curated Bead Boxes, but what a cool idea. As you can see, it's in a silver color. And it measures 45 by 18mm. Isn't that neat, guys? Look at this. Let me see if I can open it. It opens like that. And this portion swivels, so that's nice. Now I don't know if I would use glass beads on it because they might break, but you could potentially use the tassels and maybe even the acrylic flower caps, I don't know. Let me get the last item. And here we have the Finding Starter Kit. And if you're a beginner, this is a really good kit to have because it helps you to get started. It has a lot of the items that you need. It doesn't have everything, but it definitely has the basics. Let me show you. Here we have some memory wire, and I believe it's 0.6 millimeters thick. Here we have some beading wire, and I think this is 7-strand beading wire. Here we have some crimp beads, and these are the round crimp beads, they're not tubes. I like to squash these. I have crimped them before, but I prefer to squash these. And here we have some stretch cord. As you can see, it's pretty thick stretch cord, which means you can use it on large beads. We have some ear wire hooks, and there are 6 ear wire hooks, so that's enough to make 3 pairs of earrings. We have some lobster claw clasps, and there are 4 as you can see. We have some head pins, and these are flat head pins. They're very thick. And here we have some jump rings. These are 6 millimeters in size, and these are also very thick. And as you can see, this month it's in a gold color. Usually the Finding Starter Kit comes in 2 colors, either silver or gold. Well, that's the full collection. The Spring is in the Air collection, and what a beautiful explosion of colors. I think my favorite are these pearl beads in the pink and green. I'm getting inspiration just looking at them right now. And of course I love these acrylic flower beads. And I also love the flower spacer beads. And as you can see guys, you get a lot for your money, you really do. If you're trying to build up your bead stash, this is the box for you, because as you can see, you get lots of long strands and there's lots of variety. And then you add the Finding Starter Kit and it's great value, it really is. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me put these away and I'll come back and say goodbye. Wasn't that a tremendous amount of beads, and weren't those colors gorgeous? I do have some ideas about what I'm going to be making. More than likely I'll use those acrylic flowers. But you never know, things can change. I usually lay out the beads on my mat and stare at them for a couple of days, so we'll see what I can come up with. But anyway guys, if you could leave some comments down below and let me know what you thought of this month's box, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.